In this video, I'll show you how to import a blueprint, image, or sketch to trace over. First, upload the blueprint. In the RoomSketcher app, click New Project and then Import a Sketch. Click Upload. Select a JPEG, PNG, or PDF on your computer or tablet and click Open. Here's where you scale the blueprint. You type in one measurement and the blueprint is scaled automatically. Select the middle of the tape measure, drag it to an area with a known length, and drag the ends so the crosshairs align with the blueprint. Type the length here and click Apply. If your blueprint is crooked like this, click the Rotate tab. You can rotate the blueprint 90 degrees. Or use this rotation tool. Just drag it so it's along a wall, and your blueprint straightens automatically. If there's extra space around your blueprint, click the Crop tab and drag the blue lines close to the edges of the floor plan like this. When you're done, click Save and Close. You draw over a blueprint in Walls mode. I'll start with exterior walls. Move the cursor, click to start, and click again at each corner. Ignore any windows or doors for now. You'll add them later. Now I'll use interior walls to draw the inside walls. While I draw, I can use these handy buttons and hotkeys. Press the B button or the B key on your keyboard to see just the blueprint. Press the F button or the F key on your keyboard to see just the floor plan. Or press the F+B button or the A key on your keyboard to see all. Note that once you're completely done, you can hide the blueprint and the buttons by pressing Menu, Blueprint. Now I'll continue drawing. Next, I want to add windows. Open the Windows category, choose your window, and click to place it. Then click the Add tab and add the rest of your windows, and then add doors. Now finish up your floor plan by adding materials, and then furniture. Here's mine. To generate floor plans, first save your project, and then click Menu and either 2D or 3D floor plans. It's a good idea to preview first and then click Generate. Click here to check your order. Here it is. Now 2D floor plans take seconds to generate, while 3D floor plans can take up to 15 minutes. Just click here to save a floor plan to your device or print it. For more videos and tutorials, go to RoomSketcher.com.